Here's the pitch by Downing. Swinging. There's a drive into left center field. That ball is going to be out of here. It's gone. It's 7:15.
For centuries, athletic competition has remained an integral part of our culture. The joy of watching sports has led us to create grand cathedrals to house simple games. From small towns to enormous cities, stadiums continually reserve a space within the modern landscape. For many, the stadium experience is what we live for. These megastructures provide a theater unlike any other. But for every brilliant moment that happens inside the stadium, there's an hour of dull, lifeless existence on the exterior. So what can we do to bring the vibrant life trapped inside the stadium out onto the everyday street? Why can't this become more like this? Of course, great stadiums aren't about the elevation. They're all about the atmosphere. Stadiums are made sacred thanks to inspiring moments, rich history, dedicated players, and outrageous fans. Thus, the success of a stadium lies in its ability to provide an amazing experience. An experience is found in section. In Chicago, rabid Cubs fandom is spilled out of the stadium and onto the adjacent rooftops. The one-of-a-kind Wrigley Field lets the stadium experience claim the entire neighborhood. In Bordeaux, Herzog and Demiron have reimagined the stadium section with a beautiful two-way stand. By pulling the shape of the seating terrace inside out, the harsh wall is eliminated, and fans can permeate through an elegant array of columns which support the upper level. In San Antonio, a sprawling city finds itself on Major League Soccer's shortlist for expansion franchises. Currently, the San Antonio Scorpions represent the Alamo City in the 2nd Division NASL. Owned by retired real estate tycoon Gordon Hartman, the team plays its home games at Toyota Field, just outside Loop 410. This proposal would see a new stadium constructed as part of the incoming renovation plan for the historic Lone Star Brewery grounds. With 30 acres of open site, paired with the existing brewery buildings, the recently purchased land will soon be home to a revitalized brewery, restaurants, 30,000 square feet of retail, and 700 housing units. Located within an emerging neighborhood, the site offers relationships with the Mission Reach area of the Riverwalk, Lone Star Brewery, Blue Star Arts Complex, historic King William houses, and several access points for both pedestrians and cars. Taking a closer look at the site, it's clear where a stadium could find a place within the Lone Star complex. A potential center point for the larger development would offer unique relationships in each direction. To the north, an integration with the Lone Star retail development merges with a clear access point through the current buildings. To the west, the stadium can provide a barrier against the adjacent commercial railway. To the east, a park space offers a potential duality for the facade to integrate with the riverfront experience, even when it isn't game day. And to the south lies a large area for dedicated parking and access to I-10. All in all, this complex site offers a perfect chance to rethink the way stadiums fit into our environment.